Hello, today we want to look at quadratic identities. Quadratic identities are very important shortcuts to anybody who is a mathematician, that's a learner, and the teacher. So before we continue on the identities, kindly subscribe so that when we upload the next video, you will be the first one to get it. Alright, so we want to start with the first quadratic identity. This is the first quadratic identity. So this a plus b brackets square. How do you use this one? A plus b in the bracket square. You bring this to here. You write a. You bring this to here. Okay. Then because this is a plus, you write plus. After writing a square, you write plus, because this here is a plus, so you write plus. Then you come and write 2 this here times a times b. If you write, so you multiply, you get 2ab, so you come here and write 2ab. Then the final step is b square. You write b square. So that is the first quadratic identity. An identity is a shortcut that can help you to solve problems involving factorization or simplification of quadratic expressions and equations. So example, this is the examples involving the first quadratic identity. So we have, for instance, we have 2x plus 3 square. If you have such kind of an expression, what do? You're asked to expand. So if you expand this one, you just use this method of the first quadratic identity. You come and say the first element in the bracket is squared, so we square 2x. If you square 2, it will become 4, and if you square x, it will become x squared. And we come to the second step. The second step is when you multiply the 2 times the second element times the third element. So 2 times 2x, 2 times 2x times 3. What do you get? This is 2 times 2, 4x, times 3, it will give you 12x. So here we will place 12x. Then the final step is 3 squared. 3 squared is what? Plus 9. So we have placed 9 here because this is a plus. Can we do the second example? If you have this example, expand 1 over x plus 1 over 2 square. What do? We just square this one. The first element we square, that's 1 over x. 1 over x. If we square 1, it will remain be 1, but if we square x, it will be x square. Then the second step is to we multiply 1 over x times 1 over 2. It will give you what? 1 over x times 1 over 2. It will give you 1 over 2x. Then times 2. It will give you 1 over x. So this is 1 over x plus 1 over x. Then we square the final step. The final element is 1 over 2 squared. This 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. That's how we have done that. So that is our assignment. Once you're done with the assignment, kindly send the answers to the comment section of this video. Thank you so much.